the developments in the run-up to Prime Minister Modi's state visit to the United States. Now, senior American officials are making their way to New Delhi ahead of the Prime Minister's first state visit. NSA Jake Sullivan will be in India next week after Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin prepares the ground for a possible joint production of GE jet engines with HAL. The agreement is likely to be announced on the 22nd of June, but this will come after a go-ahead from the US Congress. Now, though the stress is
before Prime Minister Modi's state visit to the US, top American officials are visiting India to lock the final agenda of talks between President Biden and Prime Minister Modi. US NSA Jake Sullivan is travelling to India next week, but before that, Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin met his counterpart Rajnath Singh in Delhi. And all eyes are now on whether the two have been able to settle the big deal expected to be announced on 22nd June. The General Electric's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited agreement for joint production of their jet engines.
What is still unclear though is if the United States is willing to allow General Electric to transfer single crystal engine blade technology. What is this? It's an advanced manufacturing process that ensures that engine blades made of titanium are of the highest quality under extreme heat conditions. This is considered the holy grail of jet engine technology. Very few countries have this. India wants it as a stepping stone to building our own world-class engines.
India and the US concluded a new roadmap for US-India defense industrial cooperation, which according to the United States aims to change the paradigm for cooperation between US and Indian defense sectors, including a set of specific proposals that could provide India access to cutting-edge technologies and support India's defense modernization plans. India is a major defense partner of the United States, wants to finalize the deal to manufacture General Electric F414 engines in India to power the Made in India Tejas Mk2 fighter and a stealth fighter called the AMCA, a deal for the sale of 30 state-of-the-art MQ-9B drones, a $3 billion purchase if it happens. While India is increasing its defense equipment purchase basket to include other countries like France, Israel, US over the years, apart from the traditional partner Russia, many others making a pitch for a piece in the pie. Germany is looking at selling ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems submarine to India, a deal of 6 diesel-electric submarines at an estimated cost of $5.2 billion. Boris Pistorius, the German defense minister, said, "We are talking about a deal of TKMS, about 6 submarines, but of course the procedure is not finished yet. But I think the German industry is at a good place in that race." The submarines under Project 75I will be built in India under a joint venture and transfer of technology with an international manufacturer.